fun game for you to play with your friends and family. So for this game, you'll need puffballs or cotton balls, a large pan like this, or you can choose not to use the pan and just use counter space or the floor. But beware, the puffballs will spread around. You'll also need a spoon. You can use any size spoon you want, but the smaller the spoon, the more challenging this game will be. And you'll also need a small bowl, which is going to go on top of your head like this. You'll also need a blindfold and a timer. So if you're going to play this game one at a time, then you only need one of each of these items. But if you're playing this game as a group, each person playing at the same time, then you'll need multiple. So to play this game, you're going to be blindfolded, and you're going to take this bowl and put it on top of your head and hold it with one hand. With the other hand, you'll have your spoon, and you're going to try to scoop as many puffballs as you can from this pan into this bowl in a certain amount of time. So you can set your timer for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and have your blindfold on and see who can scoop the most puffballs into their bowl in that amount of time. Good luck! So I have my game set and my timer ready. Let's see how many puffballs I can scoop in 20 seconds. Here we go. First, I'll start by setting my timer. Let's see how I did. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.